Shifting our focus to the next breaking update, this is more detail coming in of the kind of recoveries that have been made on the 16th day of the ongoing Poonch encounter, the entire operation that continues. You're looking at these images on your screens. The recovery includes AK-47, magazine, 29 AK rounds, grenades, also a lot of eatables, a lot of clothes, and I think a complete list to actually tell us, Gursimran, as you join us with more details, that they were prepared for the long haul. You know, this is the kind of recovery that again and again is reinforcing the fact, Gursimran, that something big was on their mind and they were ready for the long haul.
See, this recovery shows that the terrorists were planning something big, some major attack on the security forces or the civilians in this very area, because this is from the one of the hideout. The whole area is yet to be cleared. And I'll request Sarjeevan to show you the visuals that senior officials of the Jammu and Kashmir police, they are moving inside the army headquarters here in the Surankot area. So you can see a visible movement of the security forces. This comes after the recovery of these weapons. The security forces are preparing for the next level. So far, one AK-47 with 29 AK rounds and 2 grenades along with 2 detonators have been recovered. So you see they have also recovered morphine and syringes, which hints that the terrorists were well prepared with the medical aid as well in case they suffer any kind of injuries or anything like that. They are prepared. So you can see a massive movement of the security forces here in the Surankot to the encounter site. Regular movement is being noticed. Even you can see that the SSP Poonch, he is also here. He's monitoring the situation from on ground, because this is the longest running operation in the history of Jammu and Kashmir, and top officials of the Jammu and Kashmir police as well as Indian Army, they are monitoring situation from on ground. This is one of the headquarters of army unit which is part of the operations, and all the officials of the Jammu and Kashmir police, they are now moving in because they have got the credible inputs that terrorists are still in that very area. They have recovered, they have made the recovery, which all includes AK-47 rifle, grenades, detonators, syringes, even blankets, and all the medical kits as well. That means that they were preparing for something big in the Bhata Duriya area of Poonch. And this recovery coming on the 16th day of the encounter itself shows that how difficult this operation is. This is one of the challenging situations for the Jammu and Kashmir police as well as the Indian Army and the special forces of Indian Army that are taking part. That on the 16th day they have recovered a huge cache of arms and ammunition, which hints that the terrorists, they are still hiding somewhere in the natural cavity which has been established and zeroed in by Zia Mustafa, the terrorist who was killed in crossfire when he was taken to the identification site by Jammu and Kashmir police. Yes.
All right, Gursimran, that's again a very important information that you're getting to us for the moment. Thank you.